I recently had the opportunity to try out the Philips Sonicare Genuine W DiamondClean replacement toothbrush heads, and I must say that I am thoroughly impressed. As someone who values both oral hygiene and product quality, I can confidently say that these replacement heads deliver on both fronts. First and foremost, the brand reputation of Philips Sonicare speaks volumes. Known for their innovative dental care products, Philips Sonicare has once again showcased their expertise with these replacement toothbrush heads. The attention to detail and quality craftsmanship are evident from the moment you unbox the product. The sleek white color of the toothbrush heads adds a touch of elegance to your dental routine. It's a small detail, but it makes a difference, especially for those who appreciate aesthetics in their everyday items. In terms of size, the 3-file Oz pack of 1 is convenient and ensures that you have an ample supply of replacement heads without needing to worry about running.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.